Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter from plus 1 biology, structural organization in animals. Structural organization in animals. देखिए बेटा, एनिमल्स की बॉडी जो होती है डिफरेंट टाइप के सेल से बनी होती है. Cells, on the basis of cell, there are two types of organism which we have already studied: unicellular and multicellular. In unicellular, all the functions are performed by the single cell, but the single cell perform only one type of function. If the cell is moving, then at that time, at the same time, the cell cannot digestion. So there is new competitively arises. The question is arises how the different types of organism can perform different function at the same time. It means those are the organisms which are multicellular. They have the ability to perform different function at one time because they have different cell. सिंगल सेल ये जो ऑर्गेनिज्म है उसमें एक ही सेल है, वो एक सेल एक टाइम में एक ही प्रकार का कार्य करती है. लेकिन डिफरेंट टाइप की सेल है जो डिफरेंट फंक्शन परफॉर्म कर सकती हैं. इसका मतलब जो मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म है उनमें डिफरेंट टाइप की सेल हैं, तो एक ही समय के अंदर डिफरेंट टाइप के सेल different function perform कर सकते हैं, which we have already studied in cell. Now in this chapter we will discuss about the tissue. Define tissue. What do you understand by tissue? A group of cell which perform the similar function. मतलब सेल जो होती है सिमिलर भी हो सकती है ग्रुप के अंदर, डिसिमिलर भी, लेकिन फंक्शन एक जैसे ही करती है. That is called tissue. A group of cell which perform similar function. That is called tissue. The tissue in animals was discovered by Bychet. Tissue जो टर्म है, tissue किसने? Bychet. In animal, tissue was discovered by Bychet. And in plants, it was discovered by Andrew. What is tissue? A group of similar or dissimilar cells which perform the similar function. Cell group में similar भी हो सकते हैं, dissimilar, लेकिन function एक ही करती है. That is called tissue. In animal, this tissue was discovered by Bychet, and in plants, it was observed by Andrew. Firstly, the tissue was observed in Coelenterata because first file of the animal kingdom is Porphyria, which is cellular level. And firstly, tissue was observed in Coelenterata. जिसमें निडेरिया एंड क्लिनोफोरा you have already discussed. Coelenterata के अंदर अब जो टिश्यू वर्ड जो था पहली बात तो किसने प्रयोग किया? बाइचेट. एनिमल्स के अंदर बाइचेट ने, प्लांट्स में एंड्रयू. एक ऐसी स्टडी जो टिश्यू की करती है. टिश्यू की जो स्टडी करने वाली उस प्रोसेस क्या बोलते हैं? हिस्टोलॉजी. व्हाट इज हिस्टोलॉजी? The study of tissue is called histology. What is histology? ऐसी ब्रांच साइंस की जो स्टडी टिश्यू के बारे में करते हैं, that is called histology. And this histology was acquired by Mayer, and it was coined by Mayer. In animals, there are 4 types of tissue. How many types of tissue? Then types of tissue. In animals, there are 4 types of tissue. Epithelial tissue, and this tissue is also known as epidermal tissue. epidermal, or you can say that epithelium tissue. The next one is connective tissue. Connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. These are the four types of tissue which are present in animals. Which one? Epidermal or epithelium tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Epithelium tissue is mainly two types: simple epithelium tissue and compound epithelium tissue. Simple epithelium tissue and compound epithelium tissue. And connective tissue is basically four types. Which one? Loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissues are two types: areolar and adipose. Areolar and adipose. Next one is dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue is also known as fibrous connective tissue. Dense connective tissue. These are also known as fibrous connective tissue. Fibrous connective tissue. These are basically two types: tendon and ligament. Tendon and ligament. Third type of connective tissue is fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue is basically two types: blood and lymph. Blood and lymph. And the next fourth type tissue of connective part is hard connective tissue. Hard connective tissue. And hard connective tissue is basically two types. Again, two types: bone and cartilage. Bone and cartilage. Clear? Again, connective tissue. The tissue which connect one part to another part, one organ to another organ, that is called connective tissue. And basically connective tissue are four types: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, as well as fibrous connective tissue, fluid connective tissue, and last one is hard connective tissue. Both have different parts. Suppose loose connective tissue is basically two types: areolar and adipose. Dense or fibrous connective tissue is also two types: tendon and ligament. And fluid connective tissue, blood and lymph. And last one is hard connective tissue, that is basically two types: bones and cartilage. Then we will discuss about, we explain all these parts later. Firstly, we have to show that how many types of tissue and which are the parts, different parts of these four types of tissue. Muscular tissue is basically three types. Muscular tissue, three types. कौन से? First one is stripped. Muscular tissue, stripped, also known as skeletal or skeletal. Connective tissue. Second one is smooth connective tissue. Sorry, smooth muscular tissue. And last one is cardiac muscular tissue. The muscular tissue is basically three types: stripped, this is also known as skeletal, and unstripped or smooth. इसको आप unstripped भी कह सकते हैं. Why these are stripped and unstripped? Stripped means they have the lines, dark or light band, which we have already studied in the myosin, and which are formed by the myosin and actin. Stripped or unstripped. जो stripped होती है, those have the lines, or lines from ligaments, they are rough in touch, and smooth, they don't have any lines, they don't have any dark or light line of the myosin and actin. And the last one is cardiac muscular tissue, it is based on heart. These are the basically different type of tissue. And nervous tissue, which is made up of a group of nerve cell. Nerve cell produce nervous tissue. Clear?